Okay. I'm trying to take you back where we left. We looked at BAT strategy, that is the W, and now we are going to, yeah, this was the last part that we covered in our previous video about the W or BAT pattern in Forex. So we go direct. These are things most of the pro traders have never heard of. They have never heard of, and they have never observed this. And they happen. These are real. That is how market zones behave. We go direct to our triple top. To our triple top. Sorry? Uh, to our triple top. Triple top. How do you understand the triple top? Let me explain this for you. Triple top is whereby we are having this, this, and this. However, many people confuse this with head and shoulder. You can see in our chart where we have highlighted this. We have all these almost at the same point. We have this top, top, and top. This is our triple top. And again, we also pick this. We can also pick this. And also we can pick this. Now this is what becomes head and shoulder. But I will talk about that later. I'm not talking about head and shoulder now. I know that is what you want me to talk about. Okay, if you check at our area of concentration is the rectangle area. So this is what we are concentrating on. We are highlighting this as a top, as a top, as a top. And how does this imply? You can see the small waves. They are waves, but remember that this chart is 4 hours. Is 4 hours chart, please. 4 hours chart of USD JBP. Okay. So this is our three tops. What does this imply? This imply that this is a zone where there is a very high point of high forces of resistance. So at this point, there is high resistance. And that is why the market is hitting there, is testing that zone, Then eventually the market drops. The market then drops, as you can see. Now, if it is placing a trade, which trade should we place at a zone like this? That is the key thing, because what we want is identify where we can place a trade. So which trade can we place at a point like this? Let us check. We say buy cheap. So we have buy cheap, sell expensive. So here what we are looking at this point is a sell. Is a sell. So this is a sell. This is a sell. What we are looking at. Then we can now where should we sell at? We have our first top, our second top, and our third top. So our line should be at the lowest point. Okay, the lowest point of after this top was here. So this is where we should sell. We should place our sell position at that point when the market passes that after testing this zone 3 times. It is not 1 or 2 or forcing. Please ensure that you see the small waves. They are very important. Okay, so we cannot have the same colors then you say that they are triple. No, they are not. Okay, you can see even up to the upper one there is triple, so we could also consider this, but I will come on the head and shoulder later. We are still covering this on these pattern strategies. So let us go to the charts, the live chart. We see whether we can identify this zone and whether on live this market is forming this. Remember that I am using IC markets. This is IC markets. Let me push this a little. Okay. I will go to the 4 hours, the one that we were using. 4 hours. Wow, I had there was one here. Let me look at the current market. I love current market. There was one here. Was this, then this, but the market did not. Let me see the lowest point. The lowest point was there. The market here failed to test the lowest point. That's why we could not buy. But at all, you could have bought when the market is reversing after this. But this is a high risk, high risk position. You could not take position at this point. Okay. Let me check an up trade where there is a turning point. Let me not stop using this. I check an up trade. Let me revise this. Yes, this was a very good up trade. Okay, this was a very good up trade. Let us focus on this up trade. We see whether our top was formed. Yes, let us focus on this. Still want to make it larger for you to see what we are doing. Okay, what is this? Where is it? Is it this one or this one? This one. After a up trade, then yes, we have 3. They can be 4 or what, but minimum of 3. You have this top at the same zone, another top at the same zone as well. Sorry, I must reject this. I'm calling you back. I'm calling you back. Okay, sorry for that. Where were we? Okay. Yeah, the top. Now what we are checking, what we will wait for us to be sure is the price to pass the last. Are you getting me? the last point, which is this one. Okay, and if it touches this one, this means that our stop loss will be here. Our stop loss will be above here. So when did the price touch? Let me delete this. This was our first head top. This was our second. This was our third. Now we are waiting. Here there was a fake touch, so we could have taken a trade here. This trade could have gone through a loss. We could run at a loss, but remember, this is our stop loss. Then we go and still milk the market like crazy. Okay, so make sure that your position sizing is okay, your volume is okay. Your volume can absorb, how many pips are these? Let me check how many pips. How many pips do we have from here to here? Let me check. What's up? Let me delete everything, then I check what we have. Oh, that will be around, it's crazy, it's huge, around the 380 pips. So that is okay. If you are trading using 4 hours. That is very little. Those are just like a day. Just a small reversal here. Then we continue. For the swing traders. For the intraday traders, use the smaller time frame for your entry to identify this. Okay, I think we can move to the next. Our next stuff will be, we will be covering triple top. We have seen that. So now double bottom. We have done it. I will just like revise it. This is like the W that we were having. Okay, double bottom is like the W that we were having, which is very okay, but I will revise the double bottom for you. I think you'll not get bored. Okay, so see you. Let us move next. Let me cut this and we continue immediately. Okay.